Hi everybody, I'm back again. I've got a quick little experiment about the water cycle. What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about what happens when the clouds fill up with water and we get rain. First, what you're going to need is a glass of water that's filled almost full. And I have some liquid watercolor that's blue and kind of a teal color. And you could use food coloring if you like. And I also have some shaving cream. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt some shaving cream into my glass of water. That's my cloud. Got my nice little cloud there. And then I am going to take some of this watercolor paint and I'm going to pour it in. And I'll use the other color too, because the other color is really nice. That way we get a really cool looking rain cloud. All right, you can see it's starting to happen already. Clouds are formed when water vapor rises into the air. When the vapor hits cold air, it turns back into droplets of water. Those tiny drops of water floating in the air collect and stick together to form clouds. When the clouds get so full of water that they can't hold anymore, the water falls and comes back to the ground as rain. You can see my rain is already coming down from my cloud here. I've got a little white tablecloth and some white paper to protect it from any drips that I might have from my bottles of liquid watercolor. And I wanted you to be able to really see the color. That's why I have the white in the background. Look at how cool it looks as it comes down. And that's what happens when the clouds fill up with rain. Sometimes you look up in the sky and there's big white fluffy clouds. And then you know it's still going to be a nice day. But when those clouds turn a really, really dark color, that means that they've filled up with water and they're getting heavier and heavier and heavier. And the next thing you know, the rain is going to come down. I found a really, really fun song about the water cycle online, and here it is. Here's the site. It says, "Have fun teaching water cycle song." Okay, so just put that into your computer, Google it, "Have fun teaching water cycle song," and it's a very catchy song about the water cycle. And if you have any shaving cream and food color at home, you can make your own experiment and do this, and it's really fun to watch the water change as the different colors come down. All right, have a great day, ladybugs, and all the rest of the friends at Serendipity. I miss you all. Bye-bye.